You already have your slip knot on the crochet hook, with your yarn tension adjusted and held properly on your fingers. Wrap the working yarn around the hook from back to front. This step is called yarn over, or YO for short. Pull the wrapped yarn all the way through the loop on your hook. You've just made your first chain stitch, written as CH1. Repeat steps 2 to 3 to create a chain of your desired length. The front of the chain looks like a series of interlocking verses. When counting foundation chain stitches, only count the clear V-shaped loops along the top edge of your chain. Do not count the slip knot sitting on your hook. You can place a stitch marker on your first stitch to mark your starting point. If you turn the chain over to the reverse side, you'll see that each stitch has a bump or back bar.